I'm sure you heard Runway before. Using AI magic by writing a prompt, you can get such a beautiful video. But do you know other AI tools in Runway? Lip sync video, text to image, color grade, blur faces, depth of field, scene detection, extract depth, add color, consistent character generation, and many more fantastic AI tools. In this video, briefly, I share with you all image and video AI-powered tools. Generative audio and related AI tools will be the topic for another video. Generative video. There are different models. Here you can write the text prompts. Since Gen 2 is the older model with less quality, let's skip it. Let's paste ChatGPT prompt here. As you see, Generate button is not active. Change the model to Gen 3 Alpha. And then, a beautiful 5-second video will be generated by AI. You can extend the video, use this video to generate another video, and even lip-synced video. Lip-sync video. Already I uploaded my avatar image. As the dialogue I am writing, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Click on microphone to select the AI voice.
Okay, I'm ready to head off.
Hi there, I absolutely love telling stories.
And my favorite, Frank. Well, I certainly appreciate you stopping by. And generate. Let's listen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Fantastic. Here, I uploaded a video section of my previous animation.
Elena, I will get the response to my application next week.
Excellent. I have 2 characters in this animation. Unfortunately, I got this message. Lighting changes too much in this content. Remove video background. Let's add this video to the timeline. The default is green screen. We need to mask the object. And then replace background. Wow. The background is gone. If you like, you can edit mask again. All exported materials will be saved in Assets page. Now, I like to change the background. I will add this image as the background. Just put it under the main layer. And now, let's add a video as the background. Beautiful. This is AI magic. Even you can export the video in 4K resolution. Even we can blur the background. Click on Effects and Filters. Text to image. As a prompt, I wrote, a tundra swan, male. Beautiful. The magic is, you can choose any style you like. 3D cartoon, 35mm, anime, etc. Even you can train your model. This is amazing. You can train your own character, style, or object. You need to upload between 15 and 30 images. Already, I had prepared these images from Leonardo AI. Type the name David and train custom character. It will take more or less 30 minutes. The trained model is ready. Go to Library and Custom Elements. David cycling outside. Generate. David is having lunch at restaurant. Fantastic consistent images. Image to image. I uploaded this beautiful image and selected cinematic as the style. Higher prompt weight means the output will be more similar to the prompt. 2 wolves showing love to each other. Wow, beautiful images. Infinite image. Upload any image you like. Put the square on section you like to extend. The prompt should be written correctly. AI did not understand this prompt. Now, I write, beautiful flowers. Even you can remove the extra objects. Expand image. By this tool, you can extend the edge of any image. These images are not those ideal images I had in my mind. In this case, it is better to write the proper prompt. And this one looks great. Frame interpolation. By this tool, you can create amazing sequence of images with magic transitions. I upload 2 images. Let's decrease the clip time and generate. Now I added more images. A love fantastic clip. Erase and replace. In this image, I like to remove this small fish and replace it with a frog. Backdrop remix. By this tool, easily you can change the style of your background, Even you can write a prompt. Image variation. By this tool, easily you get some more beautiful images from your main image. Video to video. This tool is using Gen 1. I uploaded a video and selected claymation as the style. As you see, the quality is not that great. 3D texture. Just to mention that I skipped 3D capture, because it will be the topic for another video. By writing your prompt, you can easily generate textures. Inpainting. Now, I want to remove the little cute boy from the clip. Let's preview. Wow, this is AI magic. Color grade. I write green in the prompt. The theme of my video is green now, and now red. Wow. Super slow motion. By this tool, you can decrease the speed of your video. Blur faces. I uploaded this video and automatically this tool will make blurry faces. The important point is, your clip should have only one scene. As the faces still are detectable, I increase the blur level. Depth of field. I need to show you what does this mean. Scene detection. This tool is really useful for video editing. Now I uploaded a clip of my own generated movie using Luma AI that has different scenes. This amazing tool separates all scenes in some seconds. Let's look. Extract depth. Let's show you what this tool does. Add color. Any white and black image can be painted beautifully with details by this tool. Image upscaler. I want to upscale this image into 4K resolution. Look how small details are seen after magnifying. Motion tracking. Again, I uploaded this video. Just click on the object to be selected. The preview shows the red mark follows the object. Now let's add a text box. If I play the clip, the text is fixed. Now let's link the text to the video. Great motion tracking.
Don't forget subscribe, like and comment if you like the content. Otherwise, I will take your favorite pet.